Hey guys, Bernie from the Teacher Dashboard team here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sync your Azure Active Directory groups and classes into Teacher Dashboard. If you are using Azure Active Directory, you can easily sync your users and groups into Teacher Dashboard, which will run automatically every 24 hours, or you can do a manual sync as and when needed. In order to enable Azure Active Directory, log into Teacher Dashboard and navigate to your school settings. And then in school settings, select AAD Group Sync from the menu on the left-hand side and click to tick on Enable Azure Active Directory Sync. Hit Enable, and this will automatically sync your Azure groups into Teacher Dashboard. Once the sync has run, you will now see your Azure groups in the group menu here. So what we can then do is we have two different types of groups. We either have a group or we have classes. So sometimes in Azure you'll have your classes might be groups that you've already predefined, and in order to have them sync correctly to Teacher Dashboard, you can toggle between them being a class or a group by simply selecting the groups that you want to change their status from a group to being a class, and select Set as a Class from the Bulk Action dropdown. Click Apply, and now we'll see that the type of group is a class. Thanks so much for watching this video. For more TD tips, please head to our blog site. For video tutorials, our user manual and facts, please head to our support pages. Our Yammer can be found at yammer.com/TD365. And for any support, please email support@teacherdashboard365.com. Thanks.